G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the rocker cover grommets available from Minisport. Now, these are the grommets that go in the rocker cover on a classic Mini or Moke engine. Now, there are two different types of bolts that hold these on, which we'll talk about in another episode, but more importantly, this is just a rubber seal that goes between the rocker cover and the securing bolt itself. These are a rubber item, and anyone that's worked on cars knows that it gets hot and cold, which then causes it to become brittle, which can then cause an oil leak. They do recommend to replace these every single time you remove them, simply because they are a couple of dollars, and I often keep about half a dozen of these in stock in my toolbox for either my own vehicle or someone else's in which I may be repairing. So if you are removing your rocker cover, it is highly advised to replace these. As I said, they're only worth a couple of dollars. You might as well get a couple, keep them in your toolbox or even in a little pocket inside your car, and just use them next time you remove the rocker cover to do any sort of internal engine work, whether it be a full engine rebuild, removing the cylinder head, or even just a valve adjustment. So make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.